Zachary Crow. Before the school, I was in the union for 3 years. Didn't really like my career option at that point.
My name is Fab Rivera. Military for 4 years in the Army. I retired. I started doing like a little barbershop. Then I started doing carbon fiber as a hobby.
My name is Mark Anthony Cambrone. I just recently got out of the Marine Corps, did 8 years, and now I'm in the reserves. I live up in Temecula with my wife and my son. Been there for about 4 years now, so I'm loving it.
My name is Danny Marcelo. I'm taking the composites class. Something about myself would be... my bad, bro. It's like in general? Or?
Justin Rhodes is the Advanced Composite. I didn't really know what I wanted to do with my life. Kind of a jack of all trades, master of some. I liked working on cars, stuff like that. I learned about the school many years ago when I was in high school. I got a sticker at the Pomona Fairground.
My brother's doing the welding class, so I came over for like just to see how it is. And I kind of more drew attention to the composites class.
Well, I was working at home by myself, so I was trying to figure out like how I can make this in a higher level and bring my company a better position.
What would you bring right there?
This is something I made in high school, and it was pretty much to protect my glasses, because I bought my glasses not brand new, but normally if you buy them brand new, they come with a case. So I made one out of metal to protect my glasses in my backpack, and of course I put the Fab School sticker on there. I had to, and that was many years ago. So it's almost like manifesting your future type of thing.
Are there any projects that you were excited before joining the course?
The sandwich panel and stuff, just learning like the structural part of it and then making the weaves or the weave lineup and everything.
The favorite one is probably the final one, is the frame, the certificate.
I like the light switch one. It's interesting to know like pretty much all the steps you have to know. It's a lot of steps.
I would say the certificate that I'm doing now, because it's basically what I'm doing, but on vacuum port and all that. So I think that's the best one that I feel like it.
From your entire course, do you feel like your skills have been developed?
I feel like they have, yeah. There's a lot of stuff that I'm like tools and stuff that I've never used. I learned a lot of how to work mainly with tools, which I never knew how to, so that's one thing that I'm like very grateful for this class.
During the course, yes, I learned a lot, I would say. So I did a couple things that I haven't done before. So now I know I got that knowledge from here, so it's cool.
A complete 180, not knowing from anything to being able to lay down stuff, like understanding everything, kind of gives me a better aspect of what really goes on to making carbon fiber parts. So
Gotcha.
Really cool.
I'm building a full carbon longboard, and hopefully, and the guy who owns the company of that longboard was talking to me and was like, oh, it's gonna be badass and everything. And I've been texting him, sending him pictures of it, and he goes, can't wait to like ride it and stuff. And he's in a multi-million-dollar company, and I'm just texting him back and forth about it.
That sounds cool.
And I'm hoping he's like, oh, this thing's pretty badass. Can you make 10 of them for a limited set or something? Which would be so sick. You can tell it's just like one layer of carbon fiber and the rest is just like the wood. So it's like a layover.
Is there anyone you would like to give a shout out or a thanks?
Shout out Travis, because he taught me that trust the process and patience is key. That's all. One thing he's always says is trust the process or read your book.
Got
So it just made me more of a, how would you call it? Like more of a, I don't know, like my demeanor or something. I trust the process, and I mean I've done everything pretty well in the class. So
First God, and then I would say me. Stand up and keep going.
My brother probably, yeah, because he was the one telling me like, oh, you should like join the school, you know, like check it out at least for like a tour. And yeah, he was just telling me, he kept telling me, you know, it's really awesome, it's interesting what he's learning and stuff. So that's what made me want to take, pretty much him is what made me want to take the course.
Give a shout out to my wife. Thank you, babe, for supporting me through this. I know you really wanted me to keep going. And my family, my mom, you know, shout out to them. Wish you guys a happy holiday, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year.